Everybody, Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, I'm catching bass in the grass on the OSP Orikanemushi bug lure. Let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Everybody, Topwater Johnny. We are out at the lake. We're gonna be fishing with this Orikanemushi bug right here, and we're gonna put it on the line up, get out here and fish it, and see what we can make happen. So let's go. There we go. Oh, crap. Lost that one. Everybody, I'm fishing with this little bug right here with this little weed guard. So I just missed that one, but I'm getting my rhythm on it right now. So we're gonna keep on going and see what happens. All right. There we go. Oh, lost that one. Ooh, you saw that one. The hook on this lure is really, really small. And I'm gonna have to let these bass really inhale it, which I don't want them to, but it looks like I'm gonna have to really let them inhale it before I set the hook, because the lure is just so small that by the time when I'm ready to pull up, they haven't got it fully in their mouth deep enough to hook somewhere in their mouth. So, you know, we're just gonna keep on going, but we're learning with this lure. All right. There we go. He's hooked. That one's hooked. That one's hooked. That one's hooked. There we go. There we go. Keep him down. Keep him down. There we go. Woo! Oh my goodness. We got him. We got him. Look at that, everybody. That is a nice bass. Wow, we got him. There he is again on that bug, on that nice little bug. All right. Woo! Topwater Johnny here, man. Look at this one right here. A little over 2.5 pounds. That's a big bass on that little bitty black bug, that little Japanese bug right there. That's a big one right there. Ooh, all right. All right, everybody. Look at that one right there. Look over, a little over 2.5 pounds. Nice bass on that little Japanese beetle bug. He wanted it, and we got him. I set the hook this time on him and made it happen. All right. Yes, sir. We got one. We got that one on that little black bug. I was getting a little concerned for a minute, but we did it. He hit it, and he took it down deep into him, and I was able to finally set that hook nice and deep, and that bass was nice. 2.5 on that little bug. That was fun right there. That was fun. So all right then. There we go. There we go. And he's hooked. He's hooked. Ooh, good jump. There we go. Woo! There we go. We got him. Look at that. On that bug again. We got him. On that bug. All right. You can see where he's hooked at. That's just like the one before. All right. There he is. Nice one. All right. No complaints. All right, everybody. Woo. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is our next one right here. Not as big as the last one, but still a nice one here. That little black bug is putting in work, and I figured it out now. You know, once they hit it, you just hold, and then you raise up on that line and lock them in. You gotta let them take it all the way in. Then that hook slides around, and you got them. So this is another one right here. All right. All right, everybody, there you go. Nice one right there. All right. Woo, looks like I stand corrected, everybody. That bug is working. And now that I'm figuring out the rhythm with it, we're starting to get into something here now. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, just keep on fishing them lures, especially when you never fished them before. Kind of keep fishing them, get used to them, and then things start to happen. And that's kind of what's happening to me out here right now. So, all right, no complaints. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny here. I hope you enjoyed that session that we just had out here. It was great. We got that bug to work. We put in some work. We got some fish on that lure. So there's really no complaints on that. What we're going to do now is I'm going to take you back into the studio, kind of give you my final thoughts about this lure, and just give you some tips on it if you decide you want to use this lure. Also talk about what's coming up in the next week with the lure reviews. So let's go ahead and get back to the studio for our debriefing. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed that video there. In that video, we were fishing with the Orikanemushi Topwater bug right here. And it actually comes in a box like this, and you actually get 3 in a box. And one of the things about this lure that I really liked, that I wanted to kind of share with everybody, was as you watched the video, you saw me kind of grow into this lure and learn really what you need to do here. And this particular lure has a great little weed guard on there, as you can already see. And one of the things about it is when a bass strikes this lure here, you have to hold for a second to allow this lure to kind of rotate. And when it rotates, it always seems to lock in the corner of their mouth. So when they go in and they hit it, and then and the weight comes down on this lure, then you start to pull up. And then that's what makes this lure rotate and then hook into the corner of their mouth. So it took me a little bit of time to kind of figure that out and get comfortable with it. This is a really light little lure. Like I said, less than an ounce and 1.3 inches long. They actually have another one that's a little bit bigger called the Daddy. So it's the Orikanemushi Daddy. And so this is the little one, but I'm going to buy the bigger one later on, because this lure really does have a great place in your tackle box, because bass, bluegill, pretty much any kind of game fish is going to hit this lure right here, and you can have a lot of fun fishing it. So I just wanted to make sure everybody knows that this is definitely one worth buying, and it's worth the investment, because the actual price of it, which was not that bad at all, this price right here, you could get this lure for $9.99 through the hookup tackle. So that's a pretty good price for such a great little lure that you will have a lot of fun fishing with. So I would love to get your comments below, your thoughts about it. What are you thinking? I'd love to hear those thoughts as well. Pretty much that's all I really have for this video here. All I want you to do is please like, subscribe to the channel, because when you like it, you subscribe to the channel, that really helps the channel grow, helps us to build up and get things going in a really positive way. So keep on doing those things here. If you got any questions for me, anything like that, just put it below. I'll comment on it. But I just appreciate you guys so much. And I will definitely look forward to talking to you in the next video. So once again, this is Topwater Johnny saying that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, it's going to be a big bite. All right.